What's up, guys? Gary's house has been covered by TNB Naturals. I got a package today from TNB Naturals. I contacted them and really like their products. And I'm gonna go ahead and give them a whirl, but I want to try them out first and see how they're going. And they were kind enough to send me a starter pack. So these products are all natural, all organic, and what we'll do is we'll turn around and we'll see what they sent me. All right, guys, so the fine folks over here at TNB sent me a package today, and we're just gonna go through it and let you guys know what they sent me. So first off, this is a CO2 canister. You just add 1 liter of warm water and you shake it daily, and you put it in your grow tent. And what this does is it disperses CO2 into your grow tent, so that way you don't have to have any tanks or anything like that. These are perfect for grow tents if you want to bump up the CO2 in them, especially if you're running very high ppm. I think it is ppm or pars. If you're running high pars is what it is. That's the word I'm looking for. If you're going over 1,000 par, then you definitely want to introduce some type of CO2 into it, and these are perfect for your little 4x4s or your 5x5s, and they come in this little canister, and then you can buy the refill packs like this, and this is how they come. And once this is done, you just empty out all the contents, rinse it out real quick, add a new one of these, add another liter of water, you shake it once a day, boom, easy as that. They also sent me some pH up and pH down. They call it TNB up and down, but this is all organic, all natural. It doesn't burn your hands or do anything like that either. Great stuff. It's supposed to be really great stuff. They sent me a couple pair of trimming shears. Look at these guys. These guys look they look like the real deal. They're a lot better than the ones I got off Amazon, just the cheap ones. And then they sent me this too. Over there at Green Magic Gardening, Ribby says this stuff is the best stuff in the entire world, man. So I am super excited to introduce this into my garden. I am superly stoked. You guys just have no idea. They also sent me a pack of papers. Awesome, huh? Some magnets, little pamphlets, nice little sticker, add to my collection. And then this is their product line right here. So I'm talking to them now. I don't know if they do codes, guys, or not. I'm messaging them now, and I'm trying to see if I can maybe get a code or something, and we can do that, put that on the website, or I mean not on the website, but I'll pin it in the comments and stuff of the videos and stuff. But I'm super excited to start using this stuff. I'm going to introduce it into the garden starting tomorrow. I mean, why wait? So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and if you guys want to check them out, you guys can definitely do that. There's their information. You can find them on YouTube, TNB Naturals. That's where I found them. I just messaged them, and they got right back to me. They are out of Canada, but they ship worldwide. So anywhere in the world they will ship to, except for the state of Oregon. I did read that on their website. I don't know why. I don't know what's up with over in the state of Oregon. That's in the United States, but I guess they don't ship there right now. Not sure what's up with that. But yeah, nice little package. Thank you, TNB. I am really looking forward to putting this stuff to use, and it will start immediately. If you guys can, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.